Hello and welcome to a very exciting software introduction. Today we are talking about our new software we call Xstream Generator Suite, and hopefully show you what is possible. The Xstream Generator Suite is designed to benchmark your existing CCTV system and video management software by creating hundreds of thousands of CCTV camera with our technology we call camera virtualization. First off, we will start explaining the fundamental elements of the first module, that is XSG transmitter. It is the main core of Xstream Generator Suite. It manages and creates all of your network interface, number of virtual IP cameras, and camera samples. Now let's start explaining the following parts that will cover the graphical interface of XSG transmitter. Command bar. You can easily create, open, and save your project configuration depending on what you need for your benchmark applications. On-VIF mode. This will set your virtual camera that you created in XSG transmitter into a on-VIF profile S compliant that can be discovered by the video management software as a physical camera through your local network configuration. Stream mode. Enabling this process will start video streams for each individual virtual camera that you created in your XSG transmitter, which can be received by your video management software. Properties panel. This displays the following information of your selected virtual camera or network adapter, such as model information, IP, MAC address, subnet, network speed connection, and virtual IP count. Virtual IP panel. Having 1,000 or more virtual camera will be a lot difficult to manage. This panel helps you organize and keep track on the number of virtual camera that you are currently working on. All virtual camera that has been created can be sorted as per network interface, the number of channel you're streaming into, and group name that you assigned in making your virtual camera. Stream preview and bandwidth panel. You can monitor the current channel of streams, FPS and bitrate that is streaming on your virtual IP camera. And as an added feature is by having the display of your bandwidth information as a visual graph that adds precision in your current benchmarking test. Channel panel. Adding and removing camera samples or physical camera can be organized in this section of XSG transmitter. While selecting each individual camera samples or real camera feed will display the full detail information of each items directly to your properties panel. Messages panel. To help you log all the activity that is being created while the benchmarking is under process. Information like the status of the stream, number of virtual camera that is connected and being received by your video management software, and much more in detail information that is important with your testing scenarios. Let's continue on. The next thing we're going to talk about is the XSG viewer. This module acts as a standalone video management software emulator. It can receive the generated stream of virtual camera and CCTV camera stream from the XSG transmitter without the need of an actual video management software. Monitor and connectivity panel. Under the XSG viewer is the monitor button that evaluates the data transfer of all virtual camera individually. This includes the information like send and receive TCP and UDP. Beside the monitor button is another tool that is called connectivity. This is a tool for you to be able to see the stream created by the XSG transmitter. Virtual camera list. This panel is where we can see the total number of virtual camera and stream. Discover, connect, stop receiving and doing a preview of the stream from the virtual camera generated by XSG transmitter. Stream display panel. Similar to the preview panel, stream display panel shows the IP address where the stream is coming from. You will be able to see the information of the virtual camera, or real camera feed, like number of channels, media codec and its resolution. Network interface bandwidth panel. To monitor the bandwidth usage, we built a visual graph to show exactly how much network, memory and CPU are used. And next up is our last remaining module, that is XSG Capture. It enables you to record camera samples of any CCTV camera hardware, having the advantage to record all different kind of surveillance camera, and save of all of its recorded settings as a single camera sample file. That can be used by the virtual camera to be the video feed from XSG transmitter. So you can start your initial benchmarking of your video management server without the need of any surveillance camera hardware devices. Capture source panel. Using XSG Capture, you can create your camera sample in 3 different ways. First is getting stream from real camera, RTSP URL, and using a video file. Stream info panel. Depending on what kind of camera source you are using, this display the camera profile, codec, resolution, frame per second, bitrate and quality of your source, which you can modify easily to comply on what kind of sample settings that you will need when making a sample file. Display panel. This will show you the settings that you have input in the stream information panel, and preview at the same time while recording your camera sample. Sample recording. When making the sample file in XSG Capture, can specify details on the sample that you're going to make. It consists of the sample name, scene description, and author, which can be added if it is a remark or a highlight in the particular event of the camera sample being made. And also you can have a preset and a manual for the duration of the recording. And that concludes our software introduction about Xstream Generator Suite. Thank you guys for watching this quick software introduction, and hopefully this answer a few questions about the Xstream Generator Suite. And we will be sure to add more videos that will demonstrate what XSG can do.